hesitant, so.
Yeah, that guy used to be like buddy. Like,
Oh, and the takedown over here removed like a.
yeah, we said my right foot was all the way out. But that guy used to like, and me and Evan Warren used to like, get into trouble at times. That freestyle time. Like, yeah, you're gonna make it personal. It's hard to not get personal when you're scared.
Well, what pissed me off is